Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me a little insight. If with the Windows button, they emailed me and told me about this. I now have no clue about it. But the Windows plus the V key, it stores stuff at a clipboard in Windows. So if we inadvertently deleted some things and moved some things around, and you go, I wish I had that back. If you hold down the Windows and the V key, there's that text, and it'll bring it back. Now, it's still got some problems that I can only get it to do the first item or the last item, but this is cool if you open a new page and you can, instead of, if you forgot to copy it, Control V and put that text on that completely different page. So that's pretty cool. I hope that helped. Let me see if I can't find that drawing. There we go. So the Windows key and your V key goes to a clipboard inside of Windows. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.